Are you looking for the best MTB bottom brackets for your mountain bike? Then there is no doubt that you have come to the right place. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best MTB bottom brackets from reputable brands. After very much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. We can only assure you that here you will find the best MTB bottom brackets with the right quality reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. SRAM Dub Pressfit MTB Bottom Bracket. This bottom bracket from SRAM is built to do one specific function to your bike. This function is to connect the crank arms, which will enhance the smoothness and the application of power to the drivetrain. The moment I started using this bottom bracket, I could really feel the difference in comfort when pedaling during the bike ride. But what is unique about this bottom bracket is having one oversized spindle built to work every bottom bracket standard. This feature enhances the compatibility of the crank arm of a bike, while also providing long-lasting performance. It is one of those MTB bottom bracket types that uses high-end materials, making it very light. It also comes with fully sealed cartridge bearings which help in enhancing its performance. Meanwhile, installation of this bottom bracket is quick and easy overall. Its unique design allows you to put it on your bike with ease. In fact, this bottom bracket will enable you to press the bearing cups quickly into the frame for a faster and quick installation. Number 2. VGEBY Mountain Bike Bottom Bracket. This mountain bike bottom bracket from VGEBY is special and unique in its own way. I say that it is special because it is built with high-quality materials. It is also unique because it has a unique design different from the standard bottom bracket. Nevertheless, this product is an excellent option when replacing or upgrading your bottom bracket. Meanwhile, the unique design I mentioned earlier is the separate rubber gasket. The separate rubber gasket, which is built with sliding characteristics, will not increase the resistance to the rotation axis, making the pedaling smooth and easy. In terms of fitting, this accessory is compatible with various cranksets, such as FSA Integrative Crankset, Sunrace, Pro Wheel, and SRAM Hollow Crankset. But you must make sure that the diameter of the cylinder of your bike is 24 mm. The MTB crankset and bottom bracket should fit nicely for them to work on your bike. Also, installation is relatively easy with this MTB bottom bracket, just like other standard bottom brackets. It also comes with the proper assortment of spacers, making it easy for you during the installation process. Number 3. Raceface Cinch BSA Threaded Bottom Bracket. I can tell you navigating the standard of your bottom bracket can be a challenge, especially if you are trying to customize your bike ride. But this product from Raceface is the best threaded bottom bracket that you can use if it is compatible with the Cinch crankset of your bike. But what impressed me the most was the excellent construction quality of this bottom bracket. If you look at its physical features, the cups are made of aluminum, and the bearings are stainless steel. The inner sleeves are durable plastics, making it the best BSA bottom bracket for durability and toughness. This bottom bracket will also fit the crankset of various bikes, as long as you get the correct Cinch bottom bracket. It will let you feel the improved stiffness coming from a Cinch 30mm spindle in any bike frame, with a 68/73mm bottom bracket shell. Installation was also a breeze with this bottom bracket. It was easy to install and will require only a few minutes to do it. But you need a different size special tool during the installation process. Number 4. TRiPEAK MTB Bottom Bracket. This mountain bike bottom bracket from TRiPEAK is all about quality and durability. This bike component is perfect for those bikers looking to upgrade or replace their already worn-out bottom bracket. This bottom bracket also provides an excellent fit. The caps are built with a precise structure to fit into the bike frame easily. However, the compatibility will also depend on the crankset and the shell width of your bike. This bottom bracket will fit 68mm English BSA bracket shells and is compatible with a 24mm spindle. But the best thing for you to do is to consult or ask the seller regarding compatibility and fitting to ensure that it fits on your bike. Also, installation is straightforward as it needs only 4 steps to do it. First, you need to grease the threads. Then, insert the non-drive side cap. Then, insert the drive side cap, then tighten the bottom bracket using the correct wrench. Number 5. Lixada MTB Thread Type Bottom Bracket. This bottom bracket from Lixada is built with durability and toughness. Its construction quality involves high-quality aluminum alloy and polypropylene materials known for their extreme toughness and durability. I am also impressed by what this bottom bracket brings to your bike when you install it. In my experience, I really felt the smoothness and the easy riding experience after I paired it with my current chainset. In terms of compatibility, you must make sure that your bike fits the needed requirements of this bottom bracket. The fitment of this bike component is a 24mm crankshaft and 66 to 73mm bottom bracket shell. Installation is relatively easy, but you must have the proper tools to make the installation process easy. Also, there are 3 pieces of gasket included in the package, which can be used anytime during installation. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information. Thank you.